Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to smooth your photo in Pixlr. So it can work in any case, especially it can work when you're working with a person picture, like you want your skin to look more smoother, and yeah, this is when it will come in help. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Just tap into the app Pixlr. And here, this is a photo of I found it internet. It's a photo of a model. So yeah, let's go there. So in order to smooth this photo, all I have to do is go into this left bottom corner. There's a tools option. Here you can see smooth option. All you gotta do is slide this and see how gradually changes are there. You can see the difference. Yeah, let's go all the way. Yeah, maybe a little bit. So can you see the difference? This was the before and this is the after. So yeah, this can work when you're having your bad skin days. I mean, it's okay to have like bad skin. It's okay to have marks and pimples. That's completely like normal. But yeah, you can also use it in another photos, like where you want to like smoothen the photo where it's too sharp. Then yeah, it works in that case also. So so yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.